Pete here with Small Business Resource Center and Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. I'm reviewing more information about Tesla because, of course, it's a interesting stock that I think some important things are going to happen soon. Of course, they peaked at 502 and yesterday closed at 330.21. And right now, pre-market, it looks like 356 at 9:15 a.m. So I'm going to try to get this video up as quick as possible. If you're interested in stocks, smash the like button. Consider subscribing if you're a returning subscriber. Thanks for coming back. Let's go over Tesla. Of course, a lot of people are wondering why Tesla has crashed or is crashing. A lot of people like to call it a market correction because a lot of people were purchasing because of hype on the stock split. And pre-stock split, it started going crazy. I'm not sure if I made a video to be quite honest with you, but I know I commented, there's not really a sense to buy pre-stock split because it doesn't really increase value unless you're planning on, maybe pumping it up or selling at a profit, which apparently some people have done that. So, in all honesty, if you didn't see my other video, yes, I sold all my Tesla stock. So at a little reasonable profit. But when you're looking at what's going on here, some things have caused the stock to go down. Maybe some people said it's overvalued. They also had a very high chance of getting included in the S&P 500, but that didn't happen. Etsy was chosen to be included, not Tesla. Does that mean that could change in the near future? There's a very good chance it could change in the near future. Tesla also sold all 5 billion shares of their stock offering that they were offering. So you got to keep in mind they raised $5 billion in a couple of days, basically, which is pretty amazing when you're looking at a company like that, despite the fact of the stock price dropping. They raised quite a bit of capital very, very quickly. So they obviously have a lot of things going on that people are willing to take the risk. The one thing that I noted the other day, I'm looking at the chart, and Tesla basically, when I'm looking at the chart, has a very good chance that it may hit the 300 level. It may even go to pre-split pricing, which could be in the 250 to 275 range. If it gets there, there's probably a very good chance that this would be a very good buy. But when you're looking at the pre-market, of course, it jumped up like I mentioned. And the one thing I wanted to talk about, of course, this article here, I have two computers, by the way, but Elon Musk's brother, Kimbal Musk, he actually probably recognized that the stock was going up very high, and he actually sold 8 million shares of Tesla right around the peak. So for him, he made a nice profit off of that. He only paid $70 some dollars per share. So you pay $70 some dollars, he exercised an option, you sell it at around $498 share price. Wow, he made $8 million very, very quickly. So when you're looking at other analysts, a lot of them are still saying that Tesla could or should go higher, but you got to keep in mind the one thing, couple things that make stocks valuable. The value of the company, of course, and a lot of people look at that as the PE ratio, and two would be, public sentiment, and that's what everybody thinks is going on and what everyone does. Just like when they announced the stock split, all these articles and news came up and it started going through the roof, and I was saying, wow, why is this doing this, and why would you buy right now? And everyone, all these articles came out, said buy before the split, blah blah blah, but the value, you weren't gaining anything by purchasing pre-split. And technically post-split honestly probably had a better chance of going up, but didn't go up as much as the pre-split because of the simple fact that I think all the news and articles, I'm not saying they were misleading, but of course that caused a lot of people to buy. So the question is, should you sell or should you buy Tesla? And that's a question for you to look at. A lot of good things are probably going to happen with Tesla very soon. Elon Musk did state for Battery Day that they would be announcing something very big for Tesla. So a lot of people are speculating that it would be a 700-mile battery, also a solid state battery, a million-mile battery. So with all those things in play, that could increase Tesla quite a bit. So right now, of course, it is now 922, and pre-market they're still the same place, 355.40. It's tough to be able to tell somebody whether this is a good buy or not. Obviously, I have no problem being transparent. For me, at this point in time and seeing what's been going on with the stock and with the information that I researched, I'm not going to purchase Tesla, even at the 330, 350 range. If it dips under 3, I'll probably start taking a serious look at it. Could that be a mistake for me? Most certainly it could. But if you have the stock right now, would you want to sell? That depends on what your strategy is and what you want to do. Would it be expected to go back up eventually? Yes. Where that would be, one can only hope to know, because if we did, we'd always make the right choices. But as far as it's concerned, if you buy now, would you be making a mistake? Probably not also, because it's probably not, unless you're planning on selling short term, then it might be a little risky. But would you be getting a discount from the $400 and $500 price it was? Yes, you would be getting a nice discount. And more than likely, it's probably going to be going up, but no one's going to guarantee that. So keep in mind, this is for information only, and I'm not giving advice to buy or sell Tesla. You make your own decisions, but obviously I have no problem telling you what I personally think and what I'm planning to do. So it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment below. Let me know what stocks you're looking at. I'm kind of curious. Have a great day.